Hundreds of animals from Palm Valley Animal Center at risk at being euthanized. Palm Valley officials tell us the shelter has been taking in around 500 animals weekly and are expecting to continue receiving a high volume of pets in the upcoming months. Now, in order to promote live outcomes, adoption fees are being waived indefinitely. And today, there was a $25 spay and neuter surgery deposit was also waived.
Waived to encourage all of these animals to get out, animal lovers to come in, adopt, foster, rescue. Animals just like this baby right here are in the shelter environment, scared, needing a live outcome, and we really need people to come forward who are animal lovers to help get these animals adopted.
The shelter must place at least 25 pets a day into homes to help prevent euthanasia. You can visit PVAC or the Lori Paws Animal Shelter in Edinburgh to save a furry friend's life.